Hello, this is Michael Hao, Senior DevOps and Agile Consultant at Bulletproof. And today I would like to talk about Agile DevOps adoption anti-pattern for financial services and institutions. And when it comes to Agile and DevOps adoption, we're typically talking about adopting some of the industry best practices with your digital delivery team. Within here, we do our development work. After a while, the team will achieve some outcomes in terms of improved velocity. And now here it comes the problem. After the delivery team telling the business we have improved our productivity, velocity here, the business gonna come back and saying, I'm not seeing enough change in terms of end-to-end delivery productivity. What the business is saying, they're looking at the end-to-end process, all the way from ideation to the product reach your end user. So where is the gap? What are we missing here? Before an idea can be picked up by your development team, you have your product or project initiative upfront approval process. And within the FSI context, we're talking about 3 to 6 month lead time. Doing what? You need your business case. You need your business case. You need to have your budget allocated. After that, you have a detailed solution design which needs to go through security and compliance review. And probably a couple more things which are unique to your organization. Only after all of this has been done, approved, the developer can start picking up the requirement. And once you've done all your development, before it can reach your end user, you have another hurdle to jump through, which is release management process. Typically, we're talking about raising a change order with a list of changes you introduced, and it needs to go through security checking, including penetration testing and vulnerability scanning. You need to go through your compliance scanning and a couple other things. This thing takes at least 2 weeks. So now we see the problem. Doesn't matter how quickly the development team can deliver. These two processes are not delivered to work well with Agile and DevOps process. And what's even worse, after you introduce your Agile DevOps best practice to your delivery team, and you leave the team here and come back in a few months, you see everyone start reverting back to the old waterfall approach. Why? Because those time is fixed, regardless the size of your project. Then as a product owner, they start grouping MVPs into bigger deliveries. Because every time when they introduce a new project, especially small ones, those things becomes a heavy overhead. So at the end, the message I'm trying to deliver today is when we talk about Agile DevOps adoption for financial services and institutions, make sure you consider the end-to-end process, not just for your development team, also for your upfront approval and release management process. Thank you very much, and see you next Tuesday.